What is going on, guys? MMDRK here. Today I'm going to be running through how to start up the F-22 Raptor in Microsoft Flight Simulator. Now in this video I'm not going to be running through any of the flight plans or navigation systems. I'm simply just going to show you how to start up the aircraft. Anyway, without further ado, let's hop right into it. Now, when you're inside the aircraft, the first thing you'll want to do is turn on the battery. You'll then want to turn on the APU, both generators, and both engine starters. You'll then want to open both engine run-stop flaps and turn them on. Lastly, what you would like to do is you want to click this, which will close the weapon bays, as you can see. And last but not least, you will want to click this to close the canopy. Anyway guys, that is all you need to do to start up the aircraft. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something from this video. Anyway, see you guys next time.